How to link EA account to YouTube. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your EA account to YouTube. So if you want to connect your gaming progress, earn rewards, or link for drops and events, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open YouTube on your computer or phone. Once it's open, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, select Settings from the menu. In the left sidebar, click on Connected Apps. This is where all your linked accounts appear. Scroll down until you find Electronic Arts, EA. Then click Connect. A new window will pop up asking you to sign into your EA account. Go ahead and enter your EA email and password, then click Sign In. Next, check your email. EA will send you a verification code. Copy that code, paste it in, and click Sign In again. Now click Allow to give YouTube permission to connect to your EA account. And that's it. You've successfully linked your EA account to YouTube. If you ever want to disconnect it, just come back to the same Connected Apps page and hit Unlink. And there you go. Your EA and YouTube accounts are now connected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.